Yes, I have a whole room dedicated to a closet if you didn't know. Wait, why is this really cute? Oh my god, these are literally my nails. What the f— That place was so cute. That guy was the nicest guy ever. Hi, welcome to another vlog. It's currently 3 o'clock and I'm gonna go get lunch right now and then we're gonna head to the dog park, and I gotta run a bunch of errands today and do a bunch of things, so come along with me. Hi, can I get a iced latte, please?
Iced latte? What kind of milk?
Oat milk, please.
Is it drone or is it camera?
Oh no, it's not a drone, no.
It's a camera, right?
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
Like $1,000.
Can I give you 500 and you sell me?
No, I'm not selling it, no.
I wanna go home. I'm gonna stay till 6 o'clock.
I'm at the dog park now. Sterling is currently playing. Let's try this coffee. That place was so cute. That guy was the nicest guy ever. He like gave Sterling treats and stuff like that too. This coffee's pretty good. He was so nice and everyone there was so sweet that I have to go back. Like that is gonna be my go-to spot now. But we got a sandwich. Let's see how yummy this is. Oh, look at that. If this sandwich slaps, I am never making myself food again. I'm sorry, but oh my god.
You look like a little munchkin cat, Sterling. You look like a munchkin cat.
Ugh, I have so many packages I need to open, and also this house is a mess, so I need to clean that up. Like, what is going on, sweetie? All this laundry I need to go put in the washer. My bathroom is a mess. Watch this, ready? Sterling! Look, he's sitting in the bag. He's like, I'm ready to go, mommy. Just kidding, hop out. We're not going, let's go. Look at this closet room. Uh-oh. We're in my closet now. Yes, I have a whole room dedicated to a closet if you didn't know. We're not going to talk about my shopping addiction because that's not what this video is about. This video is going to show you all the new trendy clothes that you could buy if you'd like. I'm basically going to try things on like live time and tell you my first impressions and if I actually like it or not. No bullshit. This whole video is not going to be a haul. It's supposed to be a vlog, so chill out for a second, okay? Like, I promise you, if you haven't watched my hauls before, it's actually entertaining. Chill. Stay and watch. So I'm actually doing this video in partnership with Princess Polly, but this video isn't just going to be entirely Princess Polly. Anyways, also, I have the hookup. Make sure to use my code MAI for 20% off site-wide. I've worn these jeans so many times before, and I know these were like a trend last year, but I think that these jeans are just so flattering if you have a rectangular body shape or if you want like the illusion of hips because it creates like a V here. Basically, these are like the jeans that like don't just go straight. They kind of button up like this, and I just think it makes you look snatched. Also, this top is super cute. It has like this chain right here that you just buckle up in the back, and it just shows so much of your back, but it's still super like modest in the front. I don't know, I love it. This actually is in matching with this skirt right here. Let me put this on for you. I literally don't care that I'm changing in front of the camera. These two actually go together, which is so cute. Like, this is such a fit and it took no effort. This skirt has like a slit here, and it's like that knit material that you're seeing like everyone wear. I love this outfit. Like, this was so easy, right? Are these supposed— I don't know if these two are supposed to match, but like they look like they match, you know what I mean? Like, this is such a cute and easy fit and you just look so classy. Speaking upon two pieces though, there's also this one. Sets just always make you look so put together with no effort. Here we have this one, which is super cute. Again, I love how baggy this is and then how short this skirt is. I feel like it's such a good balance, you know what I mean? Since it's such a basic white thing, you can really pair with like any cute purse, you know what I mean? For the next fit, I have this shirt here. I already took Instagram pictures in it though. This is so cute. This is honestly one of my favorite things that I got from Princess Polly. And again, it's like that knit material that you're seeing everyone wear, but like in a shirt form. Princess Polly is keeping up with the trends. Also with the tan color, very trendy. Okay, so I'm sure you've seen like everyone wear the like Euphoria pants like that Alexa Demi wore, and they kind of made that but in like a skirt form. Basically, you can just do like these ties. The ties just add so much little detailing to it, you know what I mean? But this shirt is from Princess Polly, and I have this in black and white, and I just feel like you don't have to wear a bra with it. Like, I don't know what it is, but I love it. It's just such a nice basic, you know what I mean? Like, it just fits so well, and it's ribbed, which adds some really nice texture. So I have these black biker shorts from Princess Polly, but they're not just like regular biker shorts. They're ribbed and they're a little bit thicker. So if you want to wear like a really cute outfit with biker shorts, like a blazer or something, like, let me show you. So they're really cute and they're thick, just like my butt. Just kidding. You know how sometimes you wear biker shorts and you feel kind of bummy, but the fact that these are ribbed and the seams are a lot nicer than regular biker shorts. Next up, we have like a more girly outfit. Now, this is cute and all, but my wide set ribs said no. You know, it's fine. We're gonna rock with it. This isn't even a muffin top. This is literally my ribs coming out to say hello. This skirt is cute though. It's like a tennis skirt but elevated. And then this top is also Princess Polly, of course. I love this top. It fits so well. You can adjust it in the back, and I love how how backless it is. And the material is just so nice and soft. Like, I really love this shirt. I could definitely see myself wearing it out this summer. Now, this top is what I call trendy. Halter tops are like the trendy thing this summer, so this is super cute and different. I haven't seen something like this. It's just cut out in the middle so you can see a little bit of under boob action, but I'm not about that, so we're just gonna go like this. And then these shorts I love since they're like mom shorts and they fit super nice and well. Long shorts are back in style and they've been back in style, so I really love that. And these are just super comfy. I know a lot of time mom shorts can just be like too restricting or they look too like momish, but I think that this is like the perfect in between of trendy and like covered, you know? Okay, then we have this like cropped blouse top. If you see, it's really short in the back but a little bit longer in the top. Obviously if you want you can button it up all the way, but I think it's super cute like this and it looks like summery, you know what I mean? And a couple honorable mentions. So I have this skirt right here. I know it just looks like whatever, and it's just like a terry cloth towel kind of skirt and it looks super freaking cute. And then also I already posted in this orange skirt too, so I don't want to show you. Super trendy. Also, I just want to say these jeans are some of my favorite jeans. I bought these last year with my own money and everything like that, and I used them for my skater video, and literally these are the exact same jeans, but I've worn them so much, so now I have 2 pairs because I wear these jeans way too often. Like, I'm not lying when I say Princess Polly actually has some of the trendiest clothes right now. So yeah. Okay, I also want to show y'all this top from Princess Polly. It's super cute and like you can kind of do it so it's like covers more, or you could show a little bit more boobie, but I'm gonna keep it like this. But I have a code for you guys. Of course I got the hookup, and I'm also doing a giveaway, so don't you worry. You guys can use my code MAI, which is just my, for 20% off site-wide on princesspolly.com. I'll link that down in the description if you want to check that out. And there's free express shipping, which is 3 to 4 days within the United States, and that's on all the US orders over $50. And actually when I was back in Canada, I could always rely on Princess Polly for having fast shipping. Obviously if you don't live within the United States, you have to pay a little bit extra, but I could always rely on Princess Polly to get close to my doorstep within like 2 to 3 days, which was so nice. That's only if I paid obviously extra for the express shipping. All the items that I showed, by the way, are exclusive to Princess Polly, and Princess Polly offers AfterPay to all US customers, which if you don't know what that is, basically if there's like a shirt that you want for $40 but you don't have that money at the time, you can split that between different increments. So like you can pay $10 each week for 4 weeks to, you know, pay for that $40. So it's a really good way to pay if you don't have all the money up front. And I'm also giving away 2 $100 Princess Polly gift cards on my Instagram, so if you guys want to go check out that. You all know how much I love Princess Polly and how much I've mentioned them in my videos before, so this like wasn't even a sponsor to me. Like, I actually genuinely love Princess Polly, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring me. It's crazy. Hold on, pause. I noticed a lot of you watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. Look at that percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free, and if you subscribe from this video and comment that down below, I will read your comment and like it, because guess what? A girlie reads every single one of her comments and she's not lying. Go look at the comments. Did she like all of her comments? Yep, she's not lying. Go subscribe and comment down below if you subscribed. I just walked outside and I got a package from Gymshark. Let's see what this is about. So they sent these shorts and these are so cute. I saw Whitney Simmons wear them, so I wanted them. But basically this waistband is super thick and this color is so nice. The material is dope. But the back is where it's at. It's a V and there's ruching. This is gonna make the ass look fat, especially because it's a pattern. I'm wearing this ASAP. Then the sports bra looks like this. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear that. And then they also sent this one, which is just the black version, and I think some black biker shorts. But I love basic black workout sets. Oh my god, this got the ruching in the back too. Oh my gosh, this is dope. This is honestly my favorite line from Gymshark, I think now, just because like the way that they design is so dope. I'm gonna go get some food and then we're gonna go to the dog park, and then I have to come back here and clean up the house and everything like that and open more packages. Hi, can I get an iced oat milk vanilla latte? Actually, hazelnut latte. Yeah, and then can I also get a chicken Caesar wrap, and then also a plain bagel with some butter and cream cheese? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Currently at Coffee Bean because I don't know, I just like never go to Coffee Bean. I used to come here with Daniela all the time. I've just been going to Starbucks lately, but honestly, Starbucks just doesn't have that much food options, and I'm really, oh my god, this contact is gonna be the death of me. Where are my glasses? All right, I'm gonna go head into a PetSmart right now because I want to go get Sterling some treats, because if I'm gonna be honest, he's kind of a little shit. Lately, he's been really bad, but I'm not even gonna be mad at him because I've not been the best dog mommy, just because I am busy, but that's not an excuse, even though I just use it as an excuse. But like, you know, like I used to give him so much attention when he was younger because I had a lot more time and I would take him everywhere, but now since I film everything, taking him everywhere is kind of difficult. So he's just been a little shit, but I've been taking him to the dog park every day. I'm trying to socialize him again because he used to be like the most social dog ever, and now he just starts barking and it's so annoying. Anyways, okay. Oh my god, how cute would this tent be? But that's a lot of work.
Darlene! I got you so much stuff. Yeah, Mr. Stir?
Alright, I've just been cleaning around the house, but I'm hungry, so I made some food. This is what I made. It's just tuna melt, basically, and then I threw it in the oven with some cheese on top and broiled it for a bit so that the cheese come out, but this is what Alyssa and I are gonna eat today. Let's open up a package. I got this package from a swimwear company to match my nails. Basically, I got these nails done a while back, inspired by their swimwear, and they ended up... I don't even have a tripod. I feel so ratchet right now. They sent over this package, so let's open it. Oh my god, these are literally my nails. What the f? This is gonna be the cutest picture ever. Do you see this? Go check out my Instagram if you wanna see the picture, but these are literally my nails. And then this one, oh my god. I need to go to like the beach tomorrow. They also gave me a couple of cute stickers, so thank you so much to Blackwell Swim. That's crazy. Ooh, I also wanna show you guys this new necklace I got off of Etsy. I'm gonna link it down below, but basically I was being a Zodiac bitch and I got a necklace that represents the Zodiac sign. So I got this beaded one. It's so cute, and basically these charms in the middle say my sun, moon, and rising. My sun, moon, and rising. So my sun is a Sagittarius, my moon is a Capricorn, and my rising is an Aquarius. So I got that on a necklace. I kind of got it a little bit small, so it's literally choking me, but it's really cute. And a lot of you guys have been asking me where I got this one, which is my crystal necklace. I need to cleanse this because they're real crystals, but it has like moldavite, which is scary. Rose quartz, lapis lazuli, all that stuff on there. But I made this myself. So basically I went to a crystal store and I bought these separately, and they didn't come like this. Like I literally had to break it off the pendant it was on and put it on my own chain. But this is one of my favorite necklaces. I need to cleanse it. I don't wear it that often because sometimes it do be a little bit scary. Also, oh my gosh, let's unbox this right now. I got this package. This is literally just an unboxing. I got this package from Coach x Sephora a while ago, but I never got the chance to open it. So let's open it right now. Woo! Okay, so we have a couple different keychain eyeshadow palettes. So, oh my gosh, there's so many. I did not know it was this deep. Do you see this? I thought there was only one. Wow, okay. So we have this one, which is like a dinosaur one, I'm just guessing. It's so weird that it's a keychain. Like, am I supposed to put this on my purse and like touch up my eyeshadow or something? Ooh, this is so adorable though. Like these colors, I really love this orange color right here. I feel like this is a perfect little summer color. Okay, so we got Rexy. Then we got, this one's called Sharky. Looks like this. Ooh, I love this black color. Cute. Then we have, is this one gonna be pink? Oh wow, I love these two colors, the rose and the clay. I feel like this rose color would be such a pretty blush. That is pretty, oh my gosh. Then we got this lip set. This is a tea rose lip set. Okay, so they have some shimmery ones, right? And then, is this just like a gloss? Wait, why is this really cute? This is not what I was expecting. Why do I kind of love this? Then we got this like shimmery kind of gloss, right? Wait, I kind of love these. And they're not sticky. Cute. Okay, well, we got a bunch of these glosses. Does it say the price on them anywhere? Let's see. This gloss set is $36. What is this? Eye mask set. I guess you just put these under your eyes. Maybe we'll do this tonight. This is $16 for 3 of them. Cute. Then we got this nail set. They want me to do my nails with this or something. I'm not about to do my nails right now. Oh my gosh, but I am excited for this. They gave me a whole ass brush set. I've been looking for new brushes. I literally broke my contour brush that I've had for like 3 years now, so thank God they sent me new ones. Ow! Did that hurt? Holy fuck. You know when you like just like jam your nail and it's like your acrylic nail? Ow. Okay, we got it. Oh, wow. Wait, what is this? They gave me some rings or something? I actually want to wear these, but will it fit me? What? I wish this fit. I would wear it. I seriously would. That kind of sucks. They gave me a bunch of these rings, but they don't even fit. Anyways, the display on this is immaculate. We have this brush set. Oh my gosh, yes, new contour brush. I've been looking for one. Yay, I'm excited. Well, thank you so much to Coach for sending me this. So cute. This is literally gonna be my new contour brush, bronzer blush brush. Thank you to them. Now I have this mess to clean up.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.